Yep.
Hi, this is a quick investigation and a look at the Victorinox Handyman Swiss Army knife. Let's start with the fiddly bits. Nice little hanging loop there. This is a pair of tweezers. Very handy for your eyebrows or splinters. And here we have a toothpick. If you're thirsty, a corkscrew. And let's work our way down the back. Here we've got a chisel, very sharp. Small little chisel there for a bit of woodwork. Next we have a fine straight bladed screwdriver. You know when your string cuts in your hands? Well, there you go, you won't have that happening anymore because you can pull everything tight with this nice little hook. And last but not least, on the back we have an awl which acts like a drill. You see there's a very sharp edge there. Just twist it round and round and round and you'll make a really nice neat hole. What that little hole there is I can't quite remember, but I'm sure you'll find use for it. Going to the front and the bigger blades, we'll go from the small cutting blade. Next step up, a larger cutting blade for bigger jobs. And moving on, we have a file, metal file, good quality, and a bit of a cutting edge there, so you can actually cut through metal with that. For the woodworkers amongst you, a very sharp, fine-tooth saw, which does a really good, quick and neat job cutting through wood. This is my favourite on all Swiss Army knives, the scissors. Great for cutting your fingers, fingernails, your toenails. And if you're right-handed, it works really well in your left hand, or if you're left-handed, it works really well in your right hand. Meatiest tool on the knife here is this pair of pliers, and if you look at the teeth there, they've got a really good sharp grip. Two more things to go. Three, if you count this as two. There is a can opener for opening your tins of beans. On the end, a fine screwdriver. And here we go with a larger screwdriver, bottle opener and wire stripper. That little knock is great for wire stripping. So that is the Victorinox Handyman Swiss Army knife.